At American Furniture Warehouse, we're all about doing things in-house, including deliveries. When you order from us online or in store, your delivery will come from our warehouse, loaded onto an AFW truck, and hand-delivered to you in your home. AFW is dedicated to giving you the best experience possible every step of the way. To make things easier for you, we have some furniture delivery tips. It's very important that you inform our team about what to expect on or near your driveway. Our delivery experts drive big trucks, and those trucks can get stuck or damage surrounding property. Also ensure that walkways are free of tripping hazards and debris. If it has snowed, please shovel your walkways. Please have your keys in hand and guarantee entry into the home. Our delivery drivers are busy. They will not be able to wait around all day. If you can, measure the doorway, hallways, and anywhere else the furniture will be traveling to make sure that it will fit into the space you've chosen. Only someone 18 years or older and who is on the order can accept a delivery. No one loves your things more than you, so please protect them. Please remove or cover anything you don't want accidentally damaged. You could lay down cloths or sheets to protect your hardwood floors. Please secure pets and children and keep them away from the delivery area. Many pieces of furniture are large and can easily cause harm if accidentally dropped. Our movers are not responsible for moving your pre-existing furniture. You are responsible for moving your pre-existing furniture. After delivery, examine your furniture and make sure everything is satisfactory and not damaged. If something is wrong, our customer service team will do their best to make it right. Once your furniture is en route, you'll be sent an email and text, and you can track your delivery in real time. Thank you for ordering your furniture from American Furniture Warehouse and for trusting AFW with its delivery. Our goal is to provide you with the best furniture, the best service, and the lowest prices possible every time.